Okay, man, I haven't done one of these videos yet, boy. Well, it's been a while since I've done one of these. Anyways, cooking some peel and eat shrimp. What we got in here is some butter and just some garlic salt is all that is. That's it. So, some butter and garlic salt sprinkled in there, and that's what I'm cooking. Shrimp with garlic and butter. That's it. Garlic salt and butter. We're going to try to get these shrimp to be a nice pink color. So let's let them stay in there for a little bit. Actually, I think they're supposed to be like a white color, if I'm not mistaken, when they're done. When they're supposed to be like an orange color on them. Like that one right there is pretty close to being done. Whew, got a little bit of fog, you know, when they're like that color right there. Not ready. Raw. Yeah, when they start getting a little bit of an orange color like that one has there, that's when they're pretty close to being done. So just gonna let them cook in some butter, because I just eat unhealthy is what I do. You know what I mean? You guys ain't eating good apparently if you ain't fat. I'll tell you what. You come live with me for 30 days. See if you don't gain some weight. We have that right there on number 7. This is the dinosaur stove right here is what they call this. You guys might have one of them fancy dancy ones. You know, the ones that have the bells and whistles on it, you know. One day I'll get there. One day. Yeah, one day I'll get there. By the way, I'm recording this with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Once I hit the big leagues on YouTube, I'll probably be able to afford an amazing place and stuff, and I won't live in the ghetto. I just have to keep working hard. Just have to keep on working hard at being a professional YouTuber full time, and then I'll be able to quit my job, and then I'll just be a full time chef. They'll call me Chef Matt. I'll open me a little restaurante. I'll call it Matt's El Restaurante, and you can come there and maybe I won't hold it because I don't know about how the if it ever did happen, how my what do they call those people? I forgot what they call them. My backers. I don't even know what they're called, man. I don't know how you would feel about me giving away free meals is what I'm trying to say. So I was going to say, like, if you guys were my loyal subscribers and stuff, I was going to give you a discount when I open my El Restaurante. You know, you can come down and sample some of my deliciousness that I cook. You know, doesn't this just look a little delicious a little bit? By the way, I have to harass my shrimp. I like to harass them. It's just fun to get them all up in that gravy. That's what I call it. It smells pretty good. I don't know how it's going to taste. I've never had shrimp and garlic, salt, and butter. So, I'm a little scared. But, I don't know. Probably bored you. 4 minutes of rant of just playing around with some shrimp. You're probably asking yourself, well, what are you going to have with that, Matt? Well, honestly, I haven't figured that out yet, because I don't know if I wanted to do some veggies or whether I wanted to go up here and just make something like, I don't know, like some teriyaki noodle, maybe, or some cheddar broccoli or something, or more cheddar broccoli, or some instant Idaho potatoes. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling froggy for that one right there, though. Teriyaki noodles. Oh boy. Oh boy. And we're back at the shrimp. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I was letting the cameraman show you guys the pantry and all. That wasn't me, I swear. I swear it wasn't me. These are really slow at cooking and butter. I want a nice orange color on them, like that one right there, if you can see it. It's got a nice little orange texture to it. Some of these are just not quite there yet, you know. Gotta get them there. I don't know how bad the background noise is because I got the fan on. Because, you know, we have there's a fan up under there that's probably making some noise. Normally I use my GoPro, but my GoPro I didn't want to have on today. So, anyways, this is what I'm cooking. Some garlic shrimp there. We're just gonna let them orange up and stuff, and maybe I'll walk you through cooking some of those noodle leaves over there. I gotta get a pot to cook them in because you gotta have like some type of pot or something. I call it a sauce pot or something. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So let's go in my pan and we're gonna cook these here teriyaki noodles. I probably don't need that a fan anymore. Okay, teriyaki noodles. It says we're gonna need down here. We're making pan 1.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or margarine to a boil. Right, okay. So we're basically going to pour this here, which will go right into there like that. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. I want you to put vegetable oil in there. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The reason why they want you to do that is because technically if you don't, this stuff is going to stick to your pot. And yeah, buddy. So we're going to let that come to a boil. I might have some, I don't think I have any vegetable oil. I have cooking oil. I don't think we have any vegetables oils. We have extra virgin olive oil, and we have that's it. We don't have any vegetable oil, so we don't have any margarine either. At least I don't see any of that up in the pantry, unfortunately. So we're not going to be using any of that. We're just going to have to dig out a sticky pan, apparently, is what we'll be doing. We just have to wait for that pot to come to a boil, though. And I'll be right back. Alright, boys. Hopefully you enjoyed those words from those sponsors, man. Oh, man, they making me some money. Oh. Alright, teriyaki noodles. We ripped the pack open. It says to stir contents, reduce until simmer 7 minutes, blah 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 blah. Noodles are tender, stir occasionally. That's it for 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes. So a little bit of it on the stove. Rip. I'm just terrible. I know. You're probably gonna need like a spoon, a wooden spoon. Well, I mean, I guess I could just use like a noodle spoon like this one here. It's kind of weird, you know? It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. We're just gonna stir that around. Alright, we're just gonna leave this alone for a bit, and well, I think now is a good time to have another word from one of my sponsors. I think I've haven't made enough money yet off of this video, so enjoy another ad, and we'll be right back. Okay, so Actually, let's tell you what we want with these noodles are here. We want this to run out of water, but before it runs out of water, you just kind of want to let it boil. I'm using the same temperature up there that I was cooking those on, which is number 7 for my dinosaur element burner. And I'm just gonna let this here bubble for maybe like 2-3 minutes, and I'll give it a shot on turning down the burner and just letting it kind of cook until there's no liquid in it, because technically you don't want it to be running like this at all. There should hardly be any liquid in it. It should thicken up and the noodle should be like a nice soft, you know, it should be nice and soft, and there shouldn't be much liquid left. Like, this is like a soup right now, if you can't tell. That's why it's not ready yet, man. We're gonna let it cook a little bit longer, and guess what? You get to watch another one of those annoying ads in my video, making me one step closer to being a millionaire and having my El Restaurante serving all kinds of food that'll make America gain some weight, because I know there's a lot of skinny people out there that need help gaining weight, and I'm gonna be your personal restaurant weight gainer that will serve you all the necessary nutrient foods that will help you gain all the weight you need. Yeah. So watch that ad, and if you like that ad, hit the like button on that ad, because I'll know you liked whoever's ad that was. Hopefully it wasn't a political ad or something. Hopefully it's an ad to sell you a free t-shirt. Alrighty, the noodles are done. If you notice these noodles here, right? They first had a lot of liquid in them. There's still some small liquid. You could let them sit in there until it's a nice just paste like that, and this is the reason why they wanted you to use a vegetable oil or margarine, so you don't have this sticky syrup stuff that'll cause your pan to have like this sticky stuff on it, which could make it harder to clean. Anyways, though, we just need to transfer this here to that here to the belly. So I'm going to transfer that right there to here, and then we'll just see how well it looked afterwards. Okay, and that is basically all that I am cooking tonight, because technically it's freaking, well, let's see what time it is on the old Rolex of the future. You guys probably don't own one of these because you're still, you know, wearing Rolexes and stuff, but it says there is 2 o'clock. Yeah, that would be a 2 o'clock in the morning, not 2 o'clock in the afternoon, because, yeah. Anyways, that's the meal I've prepped. I could use some greens. I know that's what you guys are saying. Where are the greens at? No, I've cooked long enough. Obviously, you can tell by this video. Oh, yeah, and here's my butter. So I'm just gonna shove that under my shrimp there, pretending nobody saw that. Anyway, that's the end of the video, and see y'all.